Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're going to draw a Daisy Duck Easter egg today. So let's get our pink markers. We're going to start out drawing the bow up top here. So we're going to do a circle, and off of that circle we'll do a big loop, and another one over here, big loop. Now we're going to connect these like a butterfly into this middle circle. So, 1, 2, and this one goes down and connects. Alright, so we have our pink bow set up right here. We're going to now grab our black marker, fine tip here, and let's draw the egg shape here as best as we can. Once again, these are oval shapes. They're hard to get perfect, so don't worry if they're not. That turned out okay. Alright, so now we're going to color the bow pink. We're going to do a stripe here for purple. Okay, and we'll bring down the purple down here. Daisy Duck has a bracelet she wears. It's like a turquoise circle bracelet, so we'll do a turquoise circle right here. We'll do one of them. Okay, and then we'll connect the purple stripe over to the side of the egg. And this will all be colored purple. We'll do a little yellow section for Daisy Duck's yellow feet. Okay. And then the bottom section will be pink to match the bow, as in Daisy Duck's shoes. So, there we go. Pink. Same color pink as the bow on top. So we got pink, purple, turquoise, yellow, and pink. Now, we'll color these in, we'll put the grass behind it, and we will have our Daisy Duck. We might even add a couple eyelashes since Daisy Duck's known for those. And we'll add it to our collection of Disney Easter eggs. So have fun, fast forward, and enjoy drawing the Daisy Duck Easter egg.